Alright, this is the shell. Alright, molding needs to be painted. Alright. Got the CTR panels, ITR front seats. No burns, no wrinkles, no fades. What else? No rips. Got the CTR cluster. Right. Engine is idling right below 1. It's all good. Right. 2007 rear seats. The carpet's a little bit dusty. I just gotta, clean it, whatever, or you want to do that, it doesn't matter. Alright, this is my B16B. A brand new distributor for B16B. Mishimoto radiator, the Flatworks smoke fan, and the Mishimoto hoses. AM intake, brand new Honda battery. Everything is in stock on this B16B. It's got the Mugen Jasma headers, no leaks at all. The transmission with a 4.9 LSD ITR final drive built by DRT. It's already marked. This is my engine VIN number. I got the papers, not stolen. Like a bunch of losers out there.